Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Secretary to distribute papers.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The agenda for today's meeting: identify the problems facing any branch of the company. Suggestion and opinions. Last 3, solving the problem facing the company. Meeting adjourned.
Okay, so is there any reports or problems facing any branch of the company?
Yes, ma'am, we have a problems in the restaurant. As we've checked with Hannah, our restaurant, the restaurant is currently facing a shortage in the position of a chef and a server.
Due to that, it can generally lead to increased workload for existing staff, potential delays in services, and the declare in food quality innovation if no address promptly. Okay, thank you. So, to solve that problem, today we will discuss GLC's recruitment strategy for the upcoming quarter. So I'll open the floor for any suggestions and ideas, and let's aim to keep our contribution concise to ensure that everyone has a chance to speak. So, anyone?
As we look ahead to the next quarter, I think it's crucial to identify any skills that we currently have within the team.
So once we know what skills we're lacking, we can tailor GCL's recruitment efforts to find candidates who can fill those gaps.
We should also consider conducting internal training programs of GLC to upskill existing employees and reduce the need for external hires.
Oh, that's a great point. Investing in our companies can help our current employees to help boost morale and retention at GCL recruitment costs.
So, in addition to upskilling, we should also focus on diversity and inclusion in hiring GLC in the process.
Absolutely. Diversity not only fosters innovation and creativity but also reflects the diverse customer base we serve at GLC.
So we could implement blind resume screening at JLC to ensure we're evaluating candidates based solely on their qualification and experiences.
I agree. Unconscious basis from the hiring process is essential for promoting diversity and creating a more inclusive workplace at GLC. We should also leverage technology to streamline our recruitment process and make it more efficient. Using applicant tracking systems can help us manage applications more effectively at GLC and ensure a smoother candidate experience.
Let's not forget the importance of branding of GLC. We need to showcase GLC company culture and values to attract top talent.
Agreed. Our recruitment efforts should highlight what sets us apart as an employer and why candidates should choose to work with GLC. So, in order to optimize our recruitment efforts, and we should evaluate effective use of our recruitment channels and partnerships.
I agree, Ms. Juhaina. We should analyze the data from previous hire to identify which channels have yielded the best result. This will help us allocate our resources more efficiently.
Additionally, we should explore potential partnerships with universities, professional organizations, and industry networks. These collaborations can provide us access to a pool of qualified candidates and enhance our employment brand.
Absolutely, Ms. Dog. Building strong relationships with these institutions and organizations can also help us to attract emerging talents and stay ahead in the industry.
Great suggestion, Ms. Hannah and Ms. Brewer, for evaluating recruitment channels and forming strategies partnership with undoubtedly enhance our recruitment efforts. Let's include this consideration in our strategy moving forward. So thank you everyone for your insights and suggestions. Let's continue to refine GLC's recruitment strategy over the coming weeks and ensure we're set up for success in the next quarter. So once again, thank you and meeting adjourned.